Welcome to Chef Bimal kitchen. Today we are making crispy, juicy KFC style fried chicken at home. Golden on the outside, tender on the inside. Let's start this easy and delicious recipe. First of all, I have taken 500 gram of chicken with bone and I am going to make slit with knife so that marination will go inside. Now I have taken 1 cup of buttermilk, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of white pepper powder, and I am going to whisk it well. Now I am going to put chicken into this marination and you can soak it overnight for better flavor. Now I have taken 1 cup of flour, now I am going to add salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of white pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of chicken stock powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika powder, 1 teaspoon of dry basil, 1 teaspoon of dry thyme, 1 teaspoon of dry oregano, and I am going to whisk it well. Now I am going to add 1 liter of water. And 400 gram of ice cube. Now I am going to coat chicken into dredging flour. Now I am going to dip chicken into ice water. Now I am going to put chicken back into dredging flour. Now I am going to coat it well again. Now you can see how it looks like. Now I am going to shake off excess flour. Now I am going to heat oil till 300 Fahrenheit and I am going to deep fry till golden brown in color. So this is perfect golden brown in color. Now I am going to drain excess oil. So now you can see the sound is crispy outside. Now I am going to transfer it into serving platter and going to serve with ketchup. Our KFC style crispy fried chicken is ready. Golden, crunchy and juicy inside, just like restaurant style. Serve hot and enjoy with your favorite dip. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipe. Thank you for watching.